First chub of the day. How's that, eh? Nice, lovely little fish. Look at that. Caught him, but I was looking at the poo himself. This is number 3. I've just tucked him nicely in the lip there, which is great. Very nice fish. Put up a really good fight, this fella did. Really pleased. That's 4, James, okay? There he goes. There's the next fella.
And what number was that?
5. What's this, number 6?
Oh, yeah.
That is stunning, isn't it? Pristine condition, aren't they?
Yes.
That's probably, we've had about, this is the 7th one, I think. Well, James is setting off on his fishing trip to catch 8 fish
Hopefully.
and beat his dad.
Guys, welcome back to Fishing It Up River Days Part 2. I've come to the first spot where Dad caught last time and haven't had much luck. It's a lot quicker, the river, this time. It's flowing a lot harder. We've had some really heavy rain in the past couple of days. The river's gone down a bit, but there is still that kind of heavy flow going through. So we've given it a try, done some float fishing. I'm going to make my way down the river, try a few more spots, but I was kind of hoping to bag one in the first spot like Dad did last time. So I'm lagging behind a little bit, and I've still got 8 more to catch up if I want to win, so here's to the rest of the day.
What is it? Oh, lovely one. Yeah. Right, what I'll do, I'll get over.
Yes. Now call that extreme fishing. I'll get the mat, I'll get the mat. You get the mat, don't worry.
Yep.
Alright guys, just caught a trout, first fish of the day. I really wanted one of these for the video. Let's get the hook out of his mouth. The hook's come out. Let's get him up.
He's a fighter, isn't he, that fella?
Oh, this guy did not give up, look at that.
Beautiful, beautiful fish.
What? I love catching trout.
That's a lovely brown trout, that fella, isn't it?
Let's go, sorry.
Absolutely beautiful.
Now I know it's competition, I've got to catch 8. If I get no more today, I'm still going to be really, really pleased. First trout. Bob, bob, bob.
Well, this is James's 3rd spot of the day. And he's ledgering now. He's hoping that he's got some luncheon meat on. He's hoping he's going to get something under the tree. We'll give it 5 minutes, and if we don't, we'll move on. This is our next spot. I had one here last time, so that's putting a bit more pressure on James. He's got to deliver. I'll give it 20 seconds. Got it. He's on.
Oh yeah.
James is on. I'm just going to have to get the rod rest. Please, no. Big fella, James. There you go. Oh yeah, Mr. Chubb. Got him. Don't go flying in. Got a feeling you're going in here, Spud. Have you lost your landing net?
Yeah.
Oh, you idiot. No, you're in trouble. I knew you'd end up, I had a dream last night you'd end up in the water.
I'm winning this competition. Oh, it's going all in my boots. Oh.
I'm not stopping this. I'm going to keep this going. I'll have to stop it now. Hang on. May as well carry on with this. Let's have a look. I just said you were going in, didn't I, James? I could just tell. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, let's have a look at them legs.
Well,
I'll go and get the net. Hang on. Well, this is number 2 for James. And there's a price to pay for that, James. Do the other welly, do the other one. Oh yes, I like it.
Well, let's look what we came for.
Let's have a look what we're here for then. Let's have a look at Mr. Chubb. Oh yeah.
Well,
some things are harder to
certainly all we got.
get than others, and that was a enjoyable fish.
It's the second fish of the session. It's a chub. Oh. When I'm at the moment drawing with Dad, he had 2 fish by the time he got here last week.
Yeah.
It would have been fine except for my landing there. I let go of it and it went into the current. I had to jump in to get it, and this is just how much I'm dying to win, guys. How much I want to win, and luckily I don't feel too cold, so I'm going to carry on. But
what a fish! Well done, James. Good fish. Kingfisher, James. You missed it. Sorry. Just seen a kingfisher fly across. It's purple. It was gorgeous. This is James's second attempt now in the same spot. He might have spooked the fish having jumped in the river, but we're going to see. It's a bite. And he's in. James is in. Wow, that's a whopper, James. Well done, Dad. Wow.
this guy is not happy.
Yeah. Oh, Mr. Trout. No, Mr.
This is a big chub.
Mr. Big Chub again. Good job, James listens to Dad, innit? Don't go in, James.
I think I'm going to have to that.
Why, can't you get it down?
Yeah.
Should be able to go down there. Well, this is a good chub coming in, and this is why we go to these nice quiet places where we can hopefully catch fish that are unsuspecting. And another great land coming up here, I hope. Well done, James. Woo!
We're gonna weigh this one. I'll just quickly show you.
Looks bring it up a bit. Oh yeah. Get the mud off him. Oh yeah, it's about £3 that, James. Oh no, 2.5.
Possibly just under.
Yeah, 2 a bit. Yeah, lovely fish. That.
Big,
oh,
thick
well done,
fish.
Mr. Chub.
There we go.
Well done.
Not as big as we thought. I think it's 2. Is that 2.9?
2.27.
2.27. So take away
£2.
take away 3.4 for the bag.
Yeah, just under 2.
It's very long fish, maybe that's why
What it was.
we got overexcited, but
Still nice. Look,
one final look.
Still looks fairly nice fish, yeah.
Third fish of the day. I'm soaking wet, but I'm having a good time. It's not even 11 o'clock yet, so
Well done.
let's get him back.
Yeah.
Brilliant start.
Well done, James.
Off, pretty midway.
Well done, James, and well done, Dad.
Hi, Dad told me where to go.
Don't fall in again, James.
I think I'm going to have to.
Right, well, we've finished up. We've just done the first stretch, which was the other side of the bridge, and we're now back on the main drag. I think at this point I'd had 2 last time, is that right, James?
Yeah, you'd had 2 chub, hadn't you? Yeah.
2 chub, and James has had 2 chub and
A trout.
a trout. So at the moment he's ahead 3-2, but there's everything to play for, and the sun's coming out now. The water is up a little bit today, isn't it, James?
It is, but it was a lot faster this morning, wasn't it? It was a lot faster this morning. It's slowed down a bit now, especially in this stretch.
But the thing we're doing today, or we're aiming to do, is we get in there quick. We're looking for where we think the fish will lie in the pools. If we don't catch, we move on, move the next one, and we keep it fluid and fast. We don't want to be sat in one place, throwing loads of ground bait in, or just sat there all day waiting for something. If we get one in one place, great, we've got it, we move to the next, and that's the way that we're planning it today.
That's the plan, and we've got about 6 more fish to catch if I'm to win, 5 more to catch if I'm to draw, and yeah, I think we're going to do a bit of ledgering.
2 if he's lucky. 2 if he's lucky.
We're going to do a bit of ledgering now. I have got the float like Dad did. I did try a bit of float fishing today. I caught the trout on the float, and I caught the 2 chub on a ledger. I'll take you through the rigs later on.
We've done bread and we've done
bread and spam, yeah.
And
yeah.
spam.
The trout was on bread. The trout was on bread, and the 2 chub were on spam. So we're gonna get now to this.
James, let's get fishing.
Yeah, I love the sound of my voice. Let's do it.
Missed it. Right, well done. Yep, I'm gonna have to get the landing net. You never brought the landing net down, did you?
Chub number 4.
Mm-hmm.
This one really took it actually.
Yeah, I did. I saw it go. I wasn't videoing. I was just about to think, shall I video? Woo!
Oh, he jumped himself into the net.
That's good. I don't.
Let's get him over here.
Well done, James.
Let's get him up here.
Nice.
Let's get him.
I'll be on the lip. Right on the lip there, look.
Right in there.
Right on the lip, just as you should do. Well done,
There we go.
James.
So look at him.
Nice fellow. Nice fish. Nice clean looking fish.
I won't say the biggest,
Not
but
the biggest. He's a chub.
not a mark on him, is there?
Not a mark on him. Well done. How many is
It's
that,
all
James?
about
Is that
numbers.
4?
This is number 4, yeah.
Number 4. So 3
And,
more to draw level. 4 more to win.
I think it's possible.
So do I.
Look at those mouths. They would take anything.
Massive.
Well, should we get him back?
Put him back. Let's go. All right. Off he goes.
Let's get strength and these.
He's in. Let's have a quick look at this taste of success. Big smile for the camera.
It's the first time I've ever caught in that spot as well, so we're really happy with it, really happy with it. Well, no look at that spot. We're going to go and move on now to one of my favourite spots where Dad did catch last time. We usually do get one, so after bigging it up so much, I better produce the results. Let's do it.
This is James's favourite spot now. He always catches one here, and it's just where that water's breaking over that stone. Can you see him? He's creeping up to it now, and he's just going to drop the bait the other side of that stone. It's a little bit deeper there, and we know there's a chub that sits there waiting for any food to drop over the edge, over the shelf. So this is one of James's bankers for a fish. Keep your fingers crossed, I'll let you know what happens. Well, James is in and I've missed it.
I was getting worried there.
Been sat here for 15 minutes, videoed literally 14 of them. Just as soon as I stop, he gets one. Well done, James.
I was thinking, I'm not going to get here, I'm not going to get...
I've just said to him, let's move on, and there we go, we've got one. Another chub, another nice chub. Probably the same one as I got last time. Hasn't learnt his lesson.
Probably the same, but a bit bigger.
Hasn't learnt his lesson, James. What are you doing?
Oh, the current's really strong, Dad.
I know.
Wow. Oh.
Well done, James.
Thank God.
Number
5.
Number 5. 2 more to go and he's up to Dad.
Oh, look at that.
Have a look.
Lovely little hot code.
Nicely in the lid.
Oh, it comes.
Lovely. That's always a clean fish, isn't it? That's a clean fish.
I don't think it's as big as yours last time, Dad, but...
Possibly not, but it's a fish.
Still a lovely chub.
Well done. Let's have a look at that mouth. Oof. Absolutely beautiful.
Number 5. 2 more, be happy. 3 more.
Yeah, ecstatic. Well done. Well done.
We're getting back.
Let's get him back.
Let's see him go back. Ready?
Yeah. Can't actually see him there, he's gone. Well done, let's have another smile. Yeah, the success.
I was worried then, I was thinking I wasn't going to get one, but patience favours the, what's the saying?
I don't know, but
the person
it's a good saying. At last, about the 5th attempt, I think.
Yeah. The fish knew what we were doing.
Oh, decent chub. A nice. Let's see here. That's a good one. He's a good one. Hold on. So he's got an audience as well. Well, that's your best one. That's your best one today, that James, isn't it?
Should we get him on the mat?
Yep, get him a mat. Hold on. Oh, he's a couple of pound in, isn't he? And the rest. That's a very good fish, James. That's a good thing.
Oh, that's stonk that. Yeah.
That's your best. That's your best one today, isn't it? Lovely fish.
Look how thick it is.
I know.
Absolute.
Bit of damage on his tail at the back there in the corner.
Just on
this. Oh no, it's bubbles. It's all right. It's bubbles.
Sure.
Yeah. Lovely fish.
Should we get him weighed?
Can do.
got them in the bag.
Yeah.
Zero the scales.
So look.
299.
299.
So I'd say take £0.5 off for the scales, £2.5. One more look.
£2.5. That's not bad. Let's put him back.
Right, fish number 6.
Fish number 6.
There we go.
One more to catch up with you.
£2.5.
Yeah, lovely fish.
Biggest fish of the day. Let's get him back.
See him going. See him going. Yeah. Lovely. Take it.
Okay, the last spot proved really difficult. I ended up not catching anything there. There was a few takes, or the line was going around, but didn't manage to get anything out. So we come to this new spot. Dad originally found this spot and started fishing it, and I've kind of copied him, and it just kind of, it's quite a nice spot to do. Now I'm going to float fish and just drop it off the edge and you run it along the side. Now I'm going to be using a float, and then at the end of the float I'm just going to be taking a bit of bread, and with the bread I'm just going to stick it round the hook like that. Just get off any excess bits at the side, and then just to sink the bread, I've got a little shot there. So that's the method. Hopefully we'll get one out, because at the moment Dad's in the lead 7-6. I need one more to make it 7-all in the draw and 2 more to win. So I'm kind of counting this spot and the next spot because we are running out of time. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes.
Where is he?
Got it.
Another trout, yeah.
Another trout.
Right, let me just... Can you come round and I'll try and get down here and... Oh God. Don't know if I can get him. Let me just see if I can get down here. Can you hold the videos?
Yeah, I've got it.
I've got my knees, so I go...
Got it?
Yeah.
I've got it. Okay.
Yeah, I've got it. I've got him. Okay.
You got the video?
Yeah. Okay, let's bring him over. Bring him over.
Got it?
Yeah.
That's me.
Well done.
Oh, go for it. Go for it.
Yeah. Got him. Let's have a look. It's got lovely marks on that fella, hasn't it?
Well, it's...
Is that 7 now?
It's the 7th fish.
Let's have a look. The level.
7 fish from a level. I was getting really... Oh, look at the red spots in it.
Beautiful, yeah, that's what I said, yeah.
I was getting really worried that Dad was going to win. I'm drawing at the moment. However, I can't remember Dad had any trout last time. Did you get any trout then? But so glad to have a couple of trout on video.
Yeah, it's a big
If you want to
yeah, it's beautiful.
get the colours in that, look at that.
Let's just have a look at the...
Look at the reds.
That is absolutely stunning fish. Go. You in? This is the best one of the day for James, I think, that fella.
Winning fish. Fish number 7. It's a chub. Yeah. That's
7, 8. Are we level now?
Oh, no.
Are you one ahead?
no, one ahead, sorry, that's 8, isn't it?
Alright, okay.
So 8th fish of the day. The winning fish of the competition, but it's all good fun whether you catch 1 or 2.
Hello, little fella.
Down there as well.
That's a good. Hello, Max.
So pristine condition.
Yeah.
Really nice fish.
Yeah.
Put up a great fight, and I think because we've run out of time, for a long day, we've got to get home. Batteries are going on all our phones, so we're going to call that a day. But
7-8.
what a way to finish, what a great day it's been,
Well done.
and I think we're all winners. Mainly me.
Ooh. Now, don't fall in again, James, will you? Can you drop him in there with your hand, or?
So let me know. Oh, did you not take it? Let me know when you're ready. Lovely.
Lovely chubbly.
Let me get the net for you.
Oh, he's a good pound or so. I hope I haven't, I couldn't see the what's it very well before.
The tip.
Yeah. Oh, box out. That's good to know. There he is.
Would you say that's in the new spot as well, Dad?
I'd say that was 8 all, James, wouldn't you?
I'd say that's on a cheap day.
On a cheap day, I'd
Cheap
say.
day.
No, I'd call it 8 all, I think. 8 all. Fresh out.
You got some Pt2?
No, he's going back in a second, love. Yeah. See him down there.
There it is. Oh,
Right, come and have a seat, James.
join you there.
Okay, well done. 8 fish
thank
to
you.
James, 7 fish to me. However, there was an extra one.
You have to give him a bit of fun at the end, because
couldn't
otherwise he
resist the
moans that he
go.
didn't get to fish. But
Right.
no, it's go for it.
So, yeah, well done, James. He beat me fair and square there, I think. He had a great start this morning. Really enjoyed the day because we weren't in one spot all the time. We were moving from one to another to another. And every time we caught a fish, we moved on.
Yeah. But no, it's really, and the reason I wanted to make this video is because I'm moving away now from this river. Got myself a new house, so I won't be able to fish it as much as I can usually. So I wanted to make a video and just do one last really good couple of sessions, get as many fish out as I could, and just kind of say goodbye to a river where I learnt how to fish. And if it wasn't for this river, I wouldn't be fishing now. So I wanted to kind of capture that, make a video of it, and after that move on. I'm not saying I'll never be back in the future, but it was kind of my last session. Pants have dried off.
Pants are dried off. Still got water in his boots, so.
We've had a great time, haven't we?
Had a good time,
Absolutely brilliant. I hope you enjoy watching it. And
See you when the pike season starts. Eh?
hike season soon, bring it on. First of the day, second cast.
And
Got
didn't
it.
even know I got it. Let's have a look. Is he alright? Very attractive. Okay. Well done.
Nice trip to start with. I think
His dad's.
this is Dad's fish, which we couldn't quite get down to. Lovely trout, beautiful fish.
Let's see its little tail. Oh yes, that's very nice.
That is always a treat when you get to the bottom, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's a
And you
nice
land yourself a lovely trout.
Well, that's
Look
a
at
nice
that.
one. Yeah.
Wow.
Hang on a minute. Wow. James with a nice one.
So, one spot, one fish. Spot one.
And it's
Not bad. Got him.
nice fish, that nice fish. Okay, got him.
Well, it was in about how many seconds?
Oh, 2 minutes.
In our second spot, but you in? We do have something in our third spot. Let me know when you want it. On a day, Dad, that's had nothing to this absolute monster. Beautiful trout.
Come on, James.
Rod, very slow take. What's his net, Dad?
Yeah. Well,
This is definitely extreme.
nice chub that. You get him in with the landing net now. First fish of the day to James. Well done. How do you know it's videoing?
It's saying the top.
Oh,
1,
it
2,
is,
3.
yeah. It is, yeah. Come on, do it. Not bad.
Put him down.
Yeah, put it back.
What do you think to that?
It's not bad, is it?
What happened then?
Don't know, just happened to catch him.
What are we doing floating?
Yeah.